Hi everyone, welcome back. Glad to have you on my channel. And today it's all about robotics and AI. It is a marriage made in heaven. And the reason is very simple. Yes, we have large language models, we have different types of AI for different reasons, but having a machine interact, move, and interact with different sensories with its environment and learn from that environment and adapt from that with it from its interaction with that environment is just truly fascinating. And it's fascinating on a couple of different aspects. One of them is really just how quickly robotics are being adapted to our work environment today, and even our households, from vacuum cleaners, from automated robotic vacuum cleaners to um, robotic lawnmowers, uh, to a plethora of new robots that are coming out. I'm not going to get into the sociology of robotics, but just personally, I am truly fascinated. This is really the sexy part of AI, not just something that we look at in terms of, we're now using it for work to save time, as large language models go, which is a bunch of words, essentially, phrases, books, documents that have been thrown in to server farms, and algorithms just uh, based on your prompts, understand where to go fetch the information, be it uh, correcting grammar, correcting the sentence structure, making things look professional, to providing you from prompts to code. Um, the true fascinating part is really having a machine interact with its environment. That is what gets me. Really, just the most fascinating facet of where AI is going today. And personally, I've wanted this for a while since I saw it. Again, from the company Yahboom. Um, I'm going to break this down for you today. First, I'm going to show you the way it came straight out of the box, and you've got the wheels here. You've got the interface and controller card right here. Just going to get this up closer. Let's see how close up. Could get it pretty close. Let me rotate this slowly. Just going to give you a good look, but no worries. I will unfold this and give you an even better look. It's got some powerful motors here. So if we have a slant, this will adjust to the slant. No matter how slanted, well, given a certain degree of slant, of uh, of angle, it will be able to adjust itself. The other thing is, I'm sure you've seen it in a couple of episodes on YouTube, various demonstrations where they actually what they do is they challenge the robot where they tip it over and it's able to readjust, of course, based on algorithms. Um, it knows exactly, uh, based on its axis, how to readjust itself, so it doesn't obviously tip over. The fact that it doesn't is a true marriage between machine uh, algorithms and the ability to quickly readjust. And let me show you a couple of the sensors here. And again, I will get much closer with these sensors in a moment, and I'll show you a very close-up view of these. But this one here came with, so this is a straight attachment. This is the ultrasonic sensor. Again, no worries. I know it's a bit blurry here, but because the camera is focusing on my face, let me see. Is it still? Yeah, it's going to blur. No worries. I'm going to show you this up close and personal. Um, so that's one of the sensors. The other one, so that was the ultrasonic sensor. This is the LiDAR. Not unlike the ones that are on vacuum cleaners, robotic vacuum cleaners. This pretty much, it's a similar type LiDAR, and what it does is it just shoots lasers simultaneously all around to map its environment. I have a camera that is coming very soon in the mail. It's on the way. Um, what else? So the camera will be a core to uh, looking at people's faces, looking at different objects, and being able to understand what those objects are, and so on and so forth. We're going to do some amazing things. Today's episode just about breaking this down for you, and let me begin showing you the up close and personal, all the other parts. All right, so here is the top cover. Take it off. And just the electronic component on top of it, basically the interface as well as the what is the controller board. Underneath it, there's a few more processors as well as some transistors and diodes, basically the diodes converting AC to DC. So I'll show you the other parts. Here we have the OLED display. And at the back, we have these pins. And it's got a couple of microcircuit here. So I'll be installing this, and yes, it's the OLED basically will provide some instructions or basically status. This here is the Bluetooth module, and it's got a couple of pins here. Give you a better look. It's got 4 pins and processor in the middle, antenna, so we'll be installing this one. Basically, it's just a simple plug and play. Here is the ultrasonic piece. Again, it's got 4 pins and a couple of processors. Just push it a bit here. It's another one. Here's another one. So I'll be installing this one. This here is the lidar unit. Just going to show you a bit the top. There's a lot more um, electronic devices in it. This is the top of it. You can see here that it's past control. All right, so I've pretty much got everything that I wanted installed. Um, we've got some stoppers here, so it's just easier to go ahead and install things without it just tipping over, as well as when it stops, you don't want it to fall over. So you would leave these, and when it activates, it just goes up. Uh, I would do that first, um, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'm gonna check and see. I believe you take them off, and but at first I'm kind of hesitating because I just don't want it just falling over when it stops. I'm not sure if there's a way that it goes slowly or, anyways, a few things to figure out and that I will share with you. The battery. So the battery has two cords connected to it. One of them, it goes all the way to this connection here, which is the power input. And the one that you will leave out is this thick one, where this connects to the charger. So I've connected the sensors, and I also have the lidar unit right here. So the lidar unit, and there is a connection for the lidar that goes right on the side. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. There is a USB C connection. Let me just rotate that. And so it's right at the bottom there. And I'll be connecting that to the laptop. And see where it goes from there. So as soon as I get the interface going, I will share the next episode. So do follow, click on subscribe. That way uh, you could be notified. You could just be updated as soon as my next episode comes out. And do like, I would really appreciate it. Well, that's it for today, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.